Hi everyone, I am back with lots more freebies. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, you're new to this series, please go back on my videos, have a look at the introduction to my giveaways and what you do to get your hands on my freebies. I have filled my sack up. I am the craft fairy and I'm all ready to go. This is the second video of today and we have lots and lots and lots. I've already, like I said, got about 40 packages to go out to 40 of you. So this has really gone well, and I've just noticed I've left some stamps on the floor, so I'll go get them in a minute. Yes, we have stamps today and they are all free. You just pay the postage. Don't forget, you must be a subscriber, and please like and share these videos. All right, let's get on. Right, okay, so I have a gorgeous stamp set, and those are the images in the stamp set. So you've got breeze, sail through time, on the sea, and they are just like the photopolymer stamps. And I don't think I ever used that one. It's a brand new one. So it has an anchor, a ship, some dolphins, a seagull, a lighthouse, 2 lighthouses, and some words there. Lovely stamp set to have, isn't it, Charles? This one is, wow, it's a baby one, all about babies. So on here we have, so I was just saying if it was on the back here, it's not. So we have a rocking horse, a duck, some little robots, memories, dad, mum, smart, sweet, sweet, count the days, you've got sun and moon, ice cream, alphabet blocks, train, car, and a baby. And again, I do not think I even used this. Did I use this? I might have done, don't know. But they're photopolymer stamp set there. Lovely one to have. Oh, I've just found some more leaves to go with those leaves that I put on earlier. Right, so the leaves that I put on earlier, there's another pack. So there's actually 4 packs of leaves. There's quite a few in that one as well. And they're like a gold colour. Right, okay, I have some lovely blue shiny ribbon, and it is absolutely beautiful. I've got a few lots of this, and it's like seam binding ribbon kind of, and it's just lovely, really is beautiful. So I have a few of those. You can have 2 each, so there's 3 lots of those. 350 3.50 meters, not 350, eh, Charles? That would be a lot of ribbon. Okay, so those beautiful blue ribbons there. Oh, Charlie, what are you doing? Now, I made these. No, I made them. I put them in packs. These are from my Petite Petals, and I've cut them out of wallpaper and put pearlies on them. So they are all in packs, and there are 3 packs of these gorgeous flowers. Again, if there's more than one of you, you'll get a pack each. And then, wait for it, I made these beautiful butterflies. Well, I'll cut them out with my punch and put them on card for you, so you can use these on your projects. And this was that wallpaper that I got, if you saw one of my videos. It's just beautiful. So there are, let's have a look, let me just sort them out. Right, so there's 4 packs of the pink ones. So again, if there's more than one of you, I will split them. They are just gorgeous. There's 3, 6, 9 on each card. There's 5 lots of those. If there's only a couple of takers, then you can have 2 or 3 packs. See what happens. But I've also got it in like a sparkly silver, a couple of packs of the green one as well, silver. So what I'll do, if you want butterflies, because I have quite a few packs, I will give out random 2 packs. So if you want some and I've got some, I will give you 2 packs of these in 2 different colours. I'll just give them out randomly, okay? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 packs of these. So I'll give you a couple of packs each, whoever wants them. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then this is the wallpaper that I made them out of, and it's just beautiful. Look, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 sheets, and I think they look like 6x4s. I don't know because Charlie's in the way. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh no, they're 4x5 actually. Sorry, but just gorgeous for card, layering on your cards, and they're all textured and glittery and gorgeous. Look at that one. There's a lovely purple one coming out. There's this one as well. Lovely purple colour. You're knocking the table again. Then there's a gold one, a gorgeous silver one, and that one as well. So there's those pack of shiny card bases sort of things. Then I have, right, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my handmade cards from my card tutorials. So we have I made them all. There's a funny dog one. Daisy Delight. I remember making all these. I've got about 500 cards, so, and this is one of my favourites. I am thankful to you, for you, and happy birthday. So there is a pack of 5 of my handmade cards. What are you doing, you dingbat? I also have these. I loved these. I made these. Gorgeous. I did a video on these bookmarks. So if anybody wants one of these, I have a few. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 of them if you would like one of these gorgeous bookmarks. And that's all going to fall over. Right, now, this is a pack of die cuts. Now, I did a video. This was a video on how to use your scraps. And I basically got all my punches out and all my dies. And I just cut out tags and... Oops, oh, man. Lovely borders, quite a few tags in different colours. It is really just an assortment of shapes and bits and pieces. There's a whole bag of flowers, butterflies, circles, all different things, and they're all in this lovely foil wallpaper, so I'm not going to get it all out. Plus also, I just did my nails and it's smudging by going in the packet. Not good. Not good. Smudge my nails. That's not on, is it? Okay, now, I made some Project Life cards from different assorted cardstock. And they're all double-sided. They're Project Life size. They're absolutely beautiful. I will split these into 2 packs. I think there's probably be about 15 in each. So I'll split these Project Life cards for 2 of you. They are just very pretty. They're florals and different patterns. And stripes and checks and roses. Just beautiful. So this, I'll split them into 2. So they're Project Life cards if you want them. And I also have other sets. Now I think there's 20 in each, and they're all different varieties. So if you would like a pack of Project Life cards, I have a few sets here. They're all different. These 2 packs are the same, but I have quite a few. Some of them may not have 20 in, but I'll just randomly give these to whoever wants Project Life cards. I've made up quite a few packs of them for you all. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those ones are just square blanks. I haven't rounded them off. There's 12 of those. Nature at Heart. Beautiful. So if you just say Project Life cards, you'll get one of these packs. For sure, for sure. Oh, found another one. And then I have an assortment pack of buttons. That's just an assortment. I'm not going to get them all out. Oh, what is that? I'll put that there. I'm just going to go and get my stamps that are on the floor because I forgot to pick them up. Hey, Charles. Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm back. Right, okay, so I've been sorting out my wood block stamps, and I have some goodies here. So I already gave away a set of these the other day. They are Stampin' Up stamps. They're huge. So there is a set of these, cheers and hurrah, like watercolour. So there's another set of those. I've got no room whatsoever. This is a fun one. I did use this. Someone wanted a custom made card with a gorilla and a baby, and that's quite big. It's 1, 2, 3, 3.5 by 2, so quite a big stamp, the gorilla on it. And then I have this and these are quite big stamps. They are quite big. Again, that is 3 by 4. If you want one of the wooden stamps, just can you state which one that you would like? Teddy bear. One. Never used it. Don't think I ever used that one. Nor this one. This is brand new, never been used, and I bought these when these were really expensive, and that is a gorgeous, as you can see, look, never been used, and that is 3 by 3, that one. That's lovely. And then I think I did use this one. And this is a really fun one, and it is absolutely massive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 by 3. And it says, I tried aromatherapy, but it stinks. And look, it's a grumpy lady there on it. Just how much fun is that? Look at that. I tried aromatherapy, but it stinks. And that's huge. That's a really huge, it's like a brick stamp there. So much fun to be had, Charlie. Right, okay, so that is it for today. Oh, I now need to go have a cup of tea because I'm thirsty, because I've done a lot of talking. Don't forget to email me what you would like and where you live. And those of you, I meant to say earlier, those of you that haven't sent your address through, that wanted something throughout the week and I've replied to you and said, yes, I've got it. If you haven't sent your address, can you please send it so I don't have to ask for it for tomorrow, because I want to get everything done over the next couple of days so I can clear the way for next week's giveaways. I hope you've enjoyed this week. It's been jam-packed with loads of goodies, and like I said, I've emptied 2 boxes with things that I'm giving away. So I think you've all enjoyed it. Have a lovely weekend. I'll be talking to some of you via email. Those of you that are interested, please subscribe, and my email address is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and from me and from Charlie, who's been sat there the whole time in a grump, I think. Do you want food? You've had food. What's up? Come here. He's such a mummy's boy. He really is. Come here then, aren't you? He is such a mummy's boy. Oh, don't be grumpy. Don't be grumpy to everybody. No, he doesn't want to. Oh, he's off. He's gone. Right, I shall leave you all there. From me, from Charlie, from Bing, who's sleeping somewhere, and King Louis, who's down the other side with me. I will see you all on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.